In this video, let me show you how you can find Swift code of Metrobank of the Philippines easily. First, go to your web browser and search for Swift code finder. Next is to click any reliable link, preferably the first one in the search results. You will then enter bank details, and here, select Philippines as a country. Next, type Metrobank Card Corporation in the bank search bar. After that, choose the city and branch for the Swift code you need. Then find Swift code and you'll see the code displayed on the screen. That's it. You successfully found the Swift code for Metrobank Card Corporation. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.